Good morning, dear students. Today we have to discuss about the grammar and spelling check. So, dear student, spell check features is writer allow you to check your spelling mistake in the documents whenever you are typing anything else on the computer with MS Word. So, if there are red baby line comes under any word, it means to say you have done any mistake, and if green baby line comes under any word or sentence, it means to say you have done any grammatical error. So, there is an inbuilt dictionary in Writer which is used to match the words entered in the document, and the words which don't match to any of the words of the inbuilt dictionary are shown as mistaken words. There may be some name or any such words which are not included in the dictionary and they may be correct. So the spell check features gives you choice to keep such words, or you can replace such words with any suggested words. So this provides antonym and the synonym of that particular word. So we can select the similar word of that particular word. Now, if auto spell check is activated, so as you type the word, the writer automatically checks and shows it with a red underline. If it is wrong or unmatched to the dictionary, when you complete the sentence, the sentence is also checked for any grammatical error, and if there are some errors, then it is shown with a green underline. Okay, when you finish typing a document, you can have writer search the document for spelling and grammatical error. When writer finds any error, it shows them in a dialog box in suggestion you the most suitable option. Okay, student. So to check spelling automatically, activate automatic spell check by clicking on auto spell check icon on the standard toolbar. Right click on a word with a red baby line, red baby like this, red baby line. Okay, so right click on the word with the red baby line underline and then choose a suggestion replacement words from the list. If you choose a word from autocorrect submenu, the underlined word and the replacement word are automatically added to the autocorrect list. Okay, you can also add the underlined word to your custom dictionary by choosing add option. You can also add your particular word in your dictionary, dear students. Now, manually check spelling. How will you manually check your spelling? So when you use writer to create a document, you can check spelling manually. The spell check starts from the current cursor position or from the beginning of the text. So click on the document or select the text that you want to check for the spelling mistake. Choose tools, spelling and grammar. So this will check your all the document. It will check all your document. And what to do if spell check is not working? If spell check is not working, then click on the tool menu, click on the language, click on the for all text, click on more, or click on tool menu, click on option, click on language setting and click on language. So from here you can add the spell check option. What is the subscript and the superscript? Dear student, whenever we write any chemical formula, so we see that H2 is written on the base of the H, so it is known as the subscript. And whenever we are writing any mathematical formula like a square plus b square, it is the superscript. We can add superscript. Click on the format menu, click on the character. So here the option will be allowed the subscript and the superscript, so you can implement this, or right click on that particular word. So you can make that particular word subscript and superscript by choosing the font and font style. Okay, what is the print preview option? Print preview option tells how will your page look after printing. Print preview option will tell how will your page look after printing. This will done with the help of the file menu. Click on the file menu, click on the page preview, so your page preview option will be open. Then you can see the preview of the page. Okay, if the page is not set, then you can set the margin of the page and other setting also. Okay, printing the document, so click on the file menu, click on the print, your document will be printed, or press Ctrl plus P with the help of the keyboard, so your document will be printed. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, students.